Hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I'm making a delicious one skillet meal, and this recipe comes from this Taste of Home crate. Now these were a wedding gift, believe it or not, and I had like 3 of these crates. They were recipes that were on little cards. Now I have since consolidated and gotten rid of a lot of recipes. I kept my favorites, and I was just going through these recipes the other day, and I came across this Kielbasa Skillet stew, and I had wrote on this card, wonderful, and I had wrote a star, and I do remember making this. It's really, really good. Super easy, all in one skillet, and so it's been a long time since I've made it though, so I'm going to make it today. I'm excited to share this with you. Kielbasa Skillet stew. So I have 1 all beef kielbasa sausage, and I also have 4 slices of bacon that I have cut into small pieces. And then I have 1 cup each of diced green pepper, some sliced carrots, and some diced onion. I'm going to be using about 3 cloves of garlic. I have 2 cans of Great Northern beans. I have 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and dried thyme, and then some salt and pepper. To a large cast iron skillet, I'm going to add my bacon. Once your bacon starts to get nice and crispy, go ahead and add your kielbasa sausage. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my onion and green pepper. Next, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mince them using my garlic press. And I'm going to add my sliced carrots. I'm going to add my dried thyme and dried oregano. I'm going to add a good couple pinches of salt and black pepper. Next, I'm going to add both cans of beans. And then finally, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. So that is easy peasy. Dump everything in one skillet. Now I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for 20 to 30 minutes, and dinner is done. So it is done. Super easy, super fast, delicious one skillet kielbasa stew. Hearty, warm, comforting. Yeah. That is definitely warm and comforting. So good. And it's all made in one skillet. Those are my favorite kind of meals. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.